Hi, my name is Bonnie. I am a holistic coach and EFT practitioner, working with women in the helping or healing profession that are feeling overwhelmed or burnout and looking for ways to take better care of themselves and to either sustain or change up their healing work so that it works for them. I'm also a licensed therapist, and so when I first joined Create Your Beautiful Biz about a year ago, I had created my holistic psychotherapy practice to really speak to my ideal clients. And through Leticia's program of Create Your Beautiful Biz, I was able to create a practice that really was an expression of myself and what got me into the work of helping people, and was able to really speak to the clients that I was really drawn to work with. As soon as I joined, I felt like I was inspired and I was in the right place, and Leticia really guided me through each step and supported me through each step, and was able to create something in a much shorter amount of time than I ever thought I could do. And since joining Create Your Beautiful Biz, I've transitioned from therapy to coaching, and so it's been really neat because I've been able to use Leticia's Create Your Beautiful Biz program for my coaching practice as well. I had thought about joining Create Your Beautiful Biz for a long time, listening to Leticia's podcast, and I had just finally gotten to the point where I said, it's enough of me saying one day I'm gonna have a different life, with a business that works for me, and just decided to take the leap. And it has been so worth it, and it's still worth it today. I still use so much of what I've learned from her and her ongoing support. I've now created this coaching practice and created offers for my clients, and as well as a free quiz for women helpers or healers that are trying to figure out what their limiting beliefs are that are holding them back. And I'm also working on some digital offers. I would say that Create Your Beautiful Biz is really for you if you feel drawn to create something different for yourself, and to if you have a vision that you keep kind of putting to the side, that it is so helpful to have somebody like Leticia, who's already created her own successful business, to walk you through each step. Because I think it's easy, and I was the same way, of thinking, I can just save the money and figure it out myself, but it's really hard to do that, and I think we don't give ourselves the time to actually figure things out for ourselves. And so I would say that it's really worth it for yourself to really take that dedicated time. And Leticia is incredibly warm and supportive, but also will give you direct feedback of next action steps for your business so that you really do see change really quickly.